I want to ask one question in my mind. Uh, where you used to live?
Mm. Yes, I was born in Germany, so
Yeah.
I lived in Germany for a long time. I was working there. I was a school teacher,
Yeah.
so in a public school,
Mhm.
and I was an atheist. I didn't believe in God because I thought, if there is a God, why is there so much suffering in this world? That cannot be. So, but then, and I was never attracted to Christianity. So, but later I was attracted to Buddhism. So in Buddhism, there is this concept of action and reaction, and reincarnation. Karma and reincarnation are together. So I could accept this, and then one day I got an invitation for a Sunday feast festival of the ISKCON in Germany. Actually, there are quite a few temples, ISKCON temples in Germany. So, and I was invited there, so a Sunday festival. And then they have this concept of a God. So and then yes, of course, everything makes sense, because the laws of nature were made by a personality, God. God made these laws of nature. So and then oh yes. So and then I was attracted. So and I was reading Bhagavad Gita. I was already vegetarian because the Buddhists usually
Yeah,
are
yeah.
sincere.
You
They
are
are
a
also
vegan.
vegetarians. So and then yeah. So and then I read Bhagavad Gita. I came to the temple. We had a temple in Hanover at that time. So and then I was going to some other during my holidays. As a school teacher, you have all in all maybe 3 months of holidays a year. So in my holidays, I was visiting the temples.
Okay, according to you,
Yeah.
what is bhakti?
What is bhakti? Yeah. Um, when you answer this question, you should give praman, means evidence from the scriptures. And Rupa Goswami, one contemporary of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he says, Anya bilashita shunyam jnana kamarya navritam anuko yena Krishna anu shilanam bhaktya uttama. Uttama Bhakti is the cultivation of activities performed with the body, mind, and senses and mood, for the benefit or pleasure of Krishna. And it should be devoid of material desires and should not be covered by jnana, impersonal knowledge, and fruitive activities, karma, and also yoga and tapasya and whatever is there, And it should be done in anugatya, under the guidance of a pure devotee. It must be a Sadguru, then it's perfect. Then it can be Uttama Bhakti, otherwise it's not Uttama Bhakti. And it should be performed continuously, like a stream of honey coming down, poured down from a jar, it's coming in a thick stream, continuously, 24 hours, 7 days a week. And and in a favorable mood. This is Uttama Bhakti.
How do you feel in Vrindavan?
How I feel in Vrindavan. Yes. 4 weeks ago, I came here to Vrindavan after more than 2 years because of COVID, all this COVID hoax. And, it's like coming home. It was so. The people I found.
Yeah, you feel in Vrindavan as like a home?
Yes.
Yeah.
It was nice, and many people. I know quite a few people
Yeah,
here. So
yeah.
when I saw them the first time, oh, you're back, and so and hugging them, and the first time seeing the deities, the hair standing on end,
Yeah.
this was really nice. Now it's still nice, but the first days is very special, especially after.
You love
after,
to
after
Krishna?
two years. What?
You love to Krishna?
I try to.
Yeah.
That's it's a high level to love really Krishna,
Yeah.
because to love Krishna means to love everybody. Actually, if you love Krishna, you love also his his servants, everyone, every animal, and every human being, because all are Krishna's servants, and they all come from him.
We are all servants of Krishna.
Yes, this is Sanatan Goswami. He asked Mahaprabhu, who am I actually? Ke ami? He said, Mahaprabhu said, Jivera Swarupoy, Krishnera Nityadas, Krishnera Tatastha Shakti Bed Abed Prakash. Jivera Swarupoy. You know, the constitution of the living entity is to be an eternal servant of Krishna. Nitya Krishna Das. Even the greatest atheist, he is a servant of Krishna, but he doesn't even know that there is a God. But he's his servant, you know.
Yeah.
So, and we are one and different from him.
Yeah.
From God, you know, one in quality but different in quantity. Like we are like a drop of water from the ocean, and he is like the ocean.
Yeah, Krishna is the ocean.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is so, okay. This is for the night show today.
edit करके मैं थोड़ा सा, okay, हो गया अब, I think I should go to now.
Thank you.